Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a marine for Veterans Day. Ready? Let's do this. Okay, let's start on the top of the paper and we're gonna do a line like this, and then we're gonna go down in a diagonal line like this in the left side and one more in the right side. And now we're gonna close this with a little bit of a curved line. Okay, it's a little bit curvy. The next thing is gonna be on top, we're gonna put a half a circle, but it's a tiny one, okay? And now here I'm doing a letter U, and it's coming from this point of the hat to the other point, to the right side, okay? Good. Now, from here in the middle, you can even put a little dot in the middle. We're gonna do a curved line to the left and a curved line to the right. And this is her hair, so we're gonna start putting lines inside to make it look more like hair. Okay, it's gonna look like this. We're going down. There we go. Now, let's do the ears. Let's do the ears here. We're gonna do teeny tiny letter C's in each side of her head. And now we're gonna finish the hair by doing a curved line that goes down and touch the ear. And then in behind the ear, we're gonna do a line that goes down and then we're gonna close it to the neck. Okay, down, close it. And we're gonna do also lines inside for hair. I'm gonna put here 1, 2, 3, and 4. There. Now let's continue with the face. We're gonna do 2 little dots here, just teeny tiny. And now we're doing the nose. It's gonna be here a letter C, a backwards letter C. And the smile is also small as a letter U. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 little lines in each side of her eyes for lashes. And let's not forget about the eyebrows. 1 and 2. Okay, now let's do the neck. So 2 little lines. And we're gonna close these 2 with a curvy line. And now let's do the neck part of the blouse. So 2 curvy lines here, and we're gonna join these 2 on the bottom. First, we're gonna do here a circle, and now I'm bringing this line down like this, and one more. The other side is the same. In the middle, I'm bringing 1 line and 2. Okay, now from here I'm gonna do 2 little kind of like a leaf shapes for the bow, and here I want to do a square shape for her dress. There, that's a part of the blouse. Now let's do here the arms. They go down, and now we're gonna do a square for her skirt. Okay, 2 diagonal lines, and we are gonna join them with a little bit of a curved line. Now for the hands, I'm just gonna do half a circle. They touch the part of the body, and a little line inside for fingers, just like that. For her legs, let's do 2 lines. We leave a space in the middle, and now we're just gonna do a curved line around and close here to finish the feet, and we're gonna do one more around for the shoes, and it just look like this. Perfect. So our marine is done. Now we're gonna continue with the flag. For the flag, I'm gonna do here on the top of her head a diagonal line, and it looks like this. And now on the side of her head around her ear, we're gonna do another one. This one goes up just like that. Now I'm leaving finger spaces in between my lines. You can put your finger and then you are gonna put another one. Okay, it's gonna look like this. And now we're gonna imagine that this line passed in behind her, and we're gonna continue to the other side. Just like that. See, this one continue behind her to the other side. And now here I leave a finger space and we do another one. It's pretty much from this corner. You can do it from there and go up. Okay, one more, put in my finger and go up. There. Now let's continue down. We're gonna do another one right here. Finger space, and I'll put in one more. And these lines you can do it with a ruler, okay? Or you can do it like I'm doing it, just like that. Let's do one more. We're gonna put our finger and trace a line. And there we go. We're gonna do one last line. Okay, I'm gonna put the picture up a little bit so you guys can see. We're gonna do one more here, and it goes in behind here, and there we go. There, we finished the flag. And before we go coloring, we're gonna do here the stars. So I want to switch for my blue marker, okay, and we're gonna start making stars. So in this part of the video, you can copy what I'm doing, or you can put as many stars as you want. Here mine are looking like just triangles together. Okay, I want to show you again. It's one triangle after another. There. And now from after we finish this, we're gonna color all around, okay? And that's it. We finished, and now my favorite part, let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.